Yeah, please mute yourself, guys. Please mute yourself. Okay, so let me try to open the folder. Okay, so here I'm trying to creating a new folder for today class. In 12 p.m. Python, I'm trying to creating a new folder, 22 by 10. So inside 22 by 10, I want to create a new notes file. So notes will be shared by evening today. Definitely, all the sessions, whatever the sessions we done so far, we will share the notes. So we have the team now. We have the team ready today, and we will share the notes and we will share the files. I hope all the recorded sessions which are going to be available in the YouTube and every day recorded sessions I will share in the YouTube only. I already told you guys, and notes will be shared for the emails today. No worries. Okay, so last class in Python, we discussed a lot of things. In last class Python, we discussed print function. We discussed about the type function. We discussed about the ID function. And we discussed about the input function. These are the different functions we discussed so far. And what about the print function is printing the content in the screen. What about the type function is giving the data type of the particular variable. What is the ID is? ID is the identification, something like a location of the variable. And input is taking the input from the user. So when user entered some data, that data is going to be storing into the variable, and I can able to pick up the data by this input method. And today we will discuss about the typecasting concept. So typecasting is very important. What kind of data I can able to cast? For example, we can able to convert the integer data to the float data, and we can able to convert float data to the integer data, and we can able to convert numerical string. Okay, what is the meaning of numerical strings? What is the meaning of numerical strings I am talking about? The string which is going to be containing the numbers. Okay, these are the numerical strings. For example, these are the numerical strings. So for example, okay, double quotes 10, double quotes 10, or double quotes 24, 34. This is basically numerical string. Basically, the type of the data is string, but it is a number. Inside the string, inside the value, inside this particular double quotes, we have the number. This is actually called a numerical string. Numerical string, I can able to cast for integer. I can able to cast for integer, or numerical float. Numerical float, something like 10.05. I can able to convert this numerical float also into the floating type. Okay. Numerical strings, numerical floats. Numerical strings, numerical floats, I can able to convert. Otherwise, numerical strings, numerical floats. Numerical strings, numerical floats, I can able to convert into the integer or float. Otherwise, normal strings, I cannot able to convert into the integer. For example, Srinivas. Srinivas is the normal string, right? Srinivas is the normal string. Srinivas, I cannot able to convert integer. I cannot able to convert into the float. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. At the same time, I want to say something like 10, okay, 10 products. This is the string, for example, for me, with me. This is the string. Okay, you may ask a question, sir, in this particular string, we have the number, we have the characteristical values. We have the number like 10 and we have some characters like products. These are the characters, a collection of characters as products, and this is the number. This I cannot able to convert. Not possible. This is also not possible. Why? Because characteristic values are there. Character values are there. Whenever you have the character values, no, you cannot able to convert those. You cannot able to convert those. So remember the typecasting process, how this typecasting process is going on in the Python. So conversions, only few conversions are possible. Not all the conversions are possible. Okay, let me try to take a new program for type conversion. I'm taking new program for type conversion. Okay, so save it as type conversion, type underscore conversion, type conversion dot py. Dot py is a Python file. When I say dot py, it is Python file. Remember it. When I say dot py, it is Python file. Remember it. Okay. Right. Now I want to take okay. So I just want to take something like product. Okay. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. So print what is the type of the X? Print what is the type of the X? So let me tell you what is the type of this X. Okay. So let me see what is the type of the X. Anybody tell me what is the type of the X? What is the type method and what is the type of the X? What is this type method and what is the type of the X? Give me the answer. Quick answer. Quick answer. Quick answer, please. Quick answer. What is the type of X and what is the type method? Int, right. So let me execute. This is a kind of int. Yes, this is a kind of int. Okay, fine. Now what my requirement is print print convert this X into float of X. Okay, what I'm doing now? What I'm doing now? Already this is integer. Okay, let me give the comment here. This is integer. Okay, I'm trying to doing here is converting, converting, converting into float. I'm trying to doing what? Converting into to float. I'm trying to converting into to float. Finally, what is the X now? First time it is integer. I'm trying to converting X to float. Now it is float value. Now tell me what is the type of this? Tell me what is the type of this? Print of type of type of type of float of X. Print type of float of X. Example. Finally the type is float. Can you see finally type is float? Already converted, sir. Already converted. So now the type of the value is float value. Now the type of the value is float value. So you please try to understand. You please try to understand. I am taking basically integer value. I am printing the type of the integer value. I am trying to converting into the float and I am trying to printing type of float of X. Type of float of X, finally it is floating value. Finally it is floating value. Right, exactly, Bhavani, Keshav. Right. Now, what I'm doing is I'm taking the Y is 10.65 or 56. Now, what is the type of print of type of Y? Print of type of Y. Print of type of Y. Print of type of Y. This time Y value is what? This time Y value is what? This time Y value is something like float. What my requirement is? I want to convert this into the integer. Print of int of Y. So I'm trying to converting that into the integer. And again, I want to say print of type of int of Y. Print of type of int of. So at the last, what is the Y value now? At the last, what is the Y value now? Finally, Y value is a kind of integer. Finally, Y value is a kind of integer. So you are converting float into integer. Finally, you are converting float into integer. That's all. So integers are converting to the floats. Floats are converting to the integers. So the first time it is float. First time it is float. Immediately it is converting into int. Immediately it is converting. So int means what? So this is float, and here this is the process of converting float to int, and finally the value is int. Right. Now I'm doing one thing. I'm taking a simple thing, something like name. Name is equal to, I'm trying to taking a name called Srinivas. Okay, print type of the name. Print type of the name. Print type of the name. So here, okay, so what is the type of the name here? Type of the name is something like string. Type of the name something like string. So what my requirement is, I want to convert the convert that into the integer. Int of name. Name I'm trying to converting into the integer. Name I'm trying to converting into the integer. So Srinivas is the string data. Srinivas is the string data. I'm trying to converting Srinivas into the integer. Trying to converting Srinivas into the integer. It is having the issue. What is the issue? Invalid literal for int with the base Srinivas. Srinivas is not converting, sir. Srinivas is not converting to the Srinivas is not converting into the integer. So this is not possible. So you literally tell that not possible. Not possible. So this is something is not possible. Not possible. So I just give the comment here. Okay, let me take same name here. Name is equal to or something like value. Value is equal to. Value is equal to. I am just giving 10 or 100. Value is 100. Okay, what is the type of the value now? Print type of the value. Print type of the value. What is the value here? Print type of the value. What is the value type here? Anybody? What is the value type here? The value type is what? It is basically string. Finally, the output is value type string. But what my requirement is, I want to convert this value to the integer. Print of int of value. I want to convert that value 100 into integer. Okay, so print of int of value. Here, what is happening? This is basically string data. Okay, so here converting string to integer, but possibility only numerical strings. Only numerical strings. Numerical strings only converting. Numerical strings possible. Numerical strings only possible to convert. So finally print the value. Print the type of int of value. Print the type of int of value. Okay. So end of the day, end of the time, the output is integer. Can you see the output end of the time? Can you see the output end of the time? It is already converted. That is basically int. So previously it is basically string that was converting into the integer. That's all. That's all. So let me give the print of print value. Print value. So here the value is string. Here the value is string, but that string data converting into integer. Can you see and observe? Can you see and observe? So here the value is string that is converting into integer. Basically, this is string converting into the integer. So I hope everybody got understand how the conversion is possible. How the conversion is possible here in this way. You may got understand how the conversion is possible in this way. Type conversion. Simply type conversion. Simply type conversion. Int to float is possible. Float to int is possible. Numerical strings can convert into the integers or floats. Or floats can convert into the numerical strings, and integers also can convert into the numerical strings. That is possible. But pure string, characterical string, whenever you have the characters with the string, that is that conversion is not possible anywhere. That conversion is not possible anyway. You have to remember it, right? Okay, let me try to install Anaconda Navigator. So that is the best area you can able to practice your Python. So downloads Anaconda. So meanwhile, I'm trying to downloading the Anaconda Navigator. Okay. So I will show how to install Anaconda Navigator. So it is downloading exe file. So meanwhile, we will discuss some other programs also. Okay, I'm trying to going with one simple program. Today I'm going with one another program. Simple price calculation. Price calculator I'm going to be doing. Price calculator. Price calc.py. One simple program we are going to be doing now. Price calculation. Product price. Product price is equal to input of enter product price. Enter product price. Okay. Now product discount is equal to input of, you can give the discount of the product also by the input. Enter product discount. Enter product discount. Okay. So I'm trying to giving the product price, I'm trying to taking the product discount also. So just close that. Now finally, okay, somewhere we got an issue. There is an issue. .py. Okay, fine. Now I want to see the final price of the product. Final price. How to calculate the final price? Final price is equal to product price minus product discount. Product price minus discount. Okay, print final price. Print final price of the product is final price of the product. Final price of the product is final price of the product is, then comma final price. Final price. Okay, fine. So if I execute this program, what will happen? If I execute the program, it will ask me, it will prompt me, enter the product price. Okay, if I give the product price, that will store into the product price, PRD price. Okay, what is happening with this? I will tell you very, very clear. This program is very simple. So the first line execute, the first line is actually prompting the value and it will store the data into the PRD price. It will store the data into the PRD price. And immediately PRD price is filled. And immediately it will show the another prompt. It will ask me product discount. It will ask me product discount. Okay, so product price, if I enter something like 1 lakh, product price, I enter something like 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is going to be storing into the product price. So I'm giving the discount something like a 10,000 here. When I'm giving the discount 10,000, so discount price also storing into the product discount. So product discount variable also filling now. So finally, I want to take a final price. But final price is the one more variable. What is the final price? How to get the final price? So PRD price minus PRD discount. PRD price minus PRD discount. Something like 1 lakh minus 10,000. 1 lakh minus 10,000. So finally, the output should be, this final price should be something like 90,000. This is my requirement. This is my requirement. So I want to do the same program in the Python. I want to do the same program in the Python, but let me try to execute the program and enter the, first of all, product price. Enter product price. It is prompting me product price. I'm just giving 1 lakh. 1 lakh for the product price. Okay. Discount I'm giving just like 5,000. 5,000 discount I'm giving. So it is giving me error. Immediately it is giving me error. Immediately it is giving me error. Why error is coming? Anybody? Anybody give me the solution why error is coming? Please tell me what is the problem with the program? Where the problem with the program? Sabia, Bhavani, Daivashala, Manugna, Nitin Narsarao, Praveen and Yashasvi, Manikanta. Where is the problem? Why I am getting the error? Why I am getting the error? Anybody? Why I am getting the error? Any clue? Any clue? No clues. Exactly, Bhavani. So exactly. So why? Because of so I am already told you, input input always input always input always takes string data. Input always takes string data. So it means what? What is happening here? Just try to understand. 1 lakh. So just give me the comment here. Just give the comment. And this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is minusing with 5,000. This is actually operation is performed. This is actually operation is performing. String minus string, not possible. String minus string is not possible. String minus string is not possible. Okay, so string minus string is not possible. Obviously, string minus string is not possible. So this is not valid operation. not valid operation. So what I can do, how to resolve the problem? How to resolve the problem? Then tell me. Anybody can tell me the answer. Numerical string. It is actually numerical string. Okay, so how to resolve the issue? What is the solution for this? By seeing the last program type conversion. By seeing the last program type conversion, we can resolve the issue. By seeing the last program type conversion, we can resolve the issue. How I can do the type conversion? Where I can do the type conversion? Where I can do type conversion and what are the variables I want to convert into the numbers or integers? What are the variables? Tell me the variable names. Which variables I want to convert into the integers? Which variables I want to convert into integers to get the output, to get the final price? Reply me in the chat box. Guys, you people are listening, you people are understanding about the type conversion program. So just give me the answer. Which variables I want to convert into the integers? Which variables I want to convert into the integers? I'm just asking a question. Okay, so finally, what my requirement is, what I want to do is, I want to convert, simply I want to do one operation. So int of, int of 1 lakh, int of 1 lakh, then minus int of 5,000, int of 1 lakh and int of 5,000. So if I do like this, what is happening, guys? If I do like this, what is happening? So automatically that string got converted into the integer. Automatically I get the output as 95,000. This is what actually happening in this. So finally, my solution is very simple. I want to convert this as integer. So just convert that into integer. Conversion, type conversion. Over. Type conversion is over. In Python, type conversion is very, very simple. In Python, type conversion is very, very simple. Final answer is final price is integer basically. Final price is integer only. Okay, so just I added int of product price, int of product discount. Just I added two things, small things. Just I injected type conversion for this product price and product discount. Why? Because of int takes only input takes only string data. Input takes only string data. That is the reason it is giving me 95,000 here. So finally execute the program. You can see the exact output now. You can see the exact output now. Okay, enter the product price. I'm entering the product price something like 10,000 rupees. I'm giving the discount as 500 rupees. 10,000 product, 500 discount. And final price of the product is 9,500. Product price is 10,000. Discount is 500. Final price of the product is 9,500. So problem resolved. Solution came. Solution came in this case. Solution came in this case. Input takes as a string data. I am converting that string into the integers and automatically final price of the product I got. Final price of the product I got. Everybody got understand how the things are going to be happening here? Sabita, Bhavani, Dayavashala, Manogna, Narsarao, Nithin, Praveen, Yashasvi, Manikanta. Yes, Manogna, yes. Yes. So we will do one more program. We will do one more program in the same way. We will do one more program in the same way. Now you tell me. I am doing the one more program simply like employee details, employee salary calculation, employee salary calculation, employee salary calculation.py. Okay. So previous program, I am working on product price. In this program, I am trying to working on employee salary. Employee salary input of enter employee salary. Enter employee EMP salary. Okay. One more input EMP bonus. For example, EMP bonus. EMP got employee got bonus, Diwali bonus. For example, employee got a Diwali bonus. Enter bonus price. Enter bonus amount. Enter bonus amount. Okay. Diwali coming now. For Diwali, some office is giving a bonus for him. And final salary. final salary of the employee. Final salary is equal to employee salary plus employee bonus. So salary, bonus, both will be added for the final salary, right or wrong? Okay, finally print final salary. So final salary for the employee. Final salary for employee. What is the final salary of this employee? What is the final salary of this employee? Tell me. Final salary of this employee should be something. Okay, let me execute the program first of all. Let me execute the program and give the inputs, employee salary and bonus both. Okay, so immediately it is asking me enter the salary of the employee. Salary of the employee is 60,000. Salary of the employee is 60,000 and bonus is something like 12,000. Bonus is something like 12,000. 12,000 bonus came for the Diwali. So final salary of the employee. So what is the final salary of the employee? Not coming final salary of the employee. What is the problem? Employee salary, employee bonus, both are there, but I'm not actually giving the final salary. Okay, just giving the final salary now. Okay, so print the final salary now. So employee salary again, 60,000. 60,000 is the employee salary. Bonus is 12,000, 12,500 something. Okay, final salary of the employee, this is too much. This much salary he can get up. 60,000 is the salary, 12,500 is the bonus. What is happening here? It is not calculating. It is not calculating addition. So it is not calculating addition. What is happening? So finally the thing is very simple. It will operate the program, but in the minus case it is not operating. But in the plus case it is operating. In the plus case it is operating. Program is working, but it is actually going like concatenation. It is actually going like concatenation. 60,000, 12,500, both are strings. This is string, this is string. End of the day, string plus string is string. Now here, the thing is concatenation. Concatenation operator is working. So plus is working. Okay, one more important point you have to remember. Plus is the symbol. Plus is having two faces. What are the two faces? The first face of the plus is working as arithmetic operator. So later we will discuss about operators and all. Plus is working as arithmetic operator when operands are number types. Plus is working as concatenation operator. Concatenation is something like adding. Concatenation operator when any one of the operand is string type data. Any one of the operand is string kind of data, automatically plus is working as concatenation operator. Remember, plus is working as concatenation operator. Any one of the operand is string kind of data. So finally, I want to see the output as something like 72,500. How to see the 72,500? So to solve the problem, so this is a problem actually. To solve the problem, what I want to do is to solve the problem. To solve the problem, typecast or type conversion. Okay, so what is the solution for this? Just convert this one to the int of EMP salary, then int of EMP. See, the last program is different, this program is different. Last program I am not working with the plus symbol. Price calculation I am not working with the plus symbol. I am just using the minus symbol. Minus symbol have direct issue, but plus symbol have different issue. Plus symbol is not giving the program error. Plus symbol is actually program is working, but it is working in the different way. It is working like a concatenation operator, but I want to work with the arithmetic operator. If I want to work with arithmetic operator, please go convert your strings into the integers. Then finally, after the typecast, to solve the problem typecast, I already done the typecast. If I am doing the typecast, automatically your output will come. Okay, let me give the employee salary 60,000. Same salary I'm giving 60,000 and bonus also 12,500. Finally, salary will be 72,500. So final output came into the picture. This is the solution. When we get the problem, we have the solution with Python. Python have lot of logics. Python have, okay, let me see, the software got downloaded. I am trying to installing it. Why? Because better we can work on Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. That Jupyter Notebook is giving a lot of interaction. Okay, so I'm trying to installing Anaconda Navigator. Maybe tomorrow onwards we will work on Anaconda Navigator. That is giving you a better interaction in the programming, better understanding the programming instead of working with the Visual Studio Code. But wherever you want, you can write. Wherever you want, you can write the program. You can write in VS Code, you can write in Anaconda, you can write in IDLE, you can write in Sublime Text, you can write in PyCharm, you can write in Atom, you can write in brackets. Wherever you want, you can write. But Anaconda Navigator is having something like a Jupyter Notebook. That Jupyter Notebook is basically very interesting one. I'm trying to installing the Jupyter Notebook, so not empty. Please choose the different location. Okay. So the directory is not allowing me to install it. Why? Because that much space is not available. Sorry. So I'm not installing Anaconda Navigator. Later, after cleaning the space, again, space is very less for this. After cleaning the space, again, we will go with the installation. So let's go with the normal VS Code only right now. Okay, right. So today I'm discussing about the typecasting, type conversions and all. So everybody got understand how the type conversions are working here? Everybody got understand how type conversions are working? We are working on very simple concept called a typecasting or type conversions today. Everybody got understand typecasting, type conversions? Please ping me in the chat box. Everybody getting an idea about the typecasting or type conversions? Right. So tomorrow onwards, the class timings are changing. Tomorrow onwards, I am taking 1.5 hour session. So 40 minutes, 40 minutes. 40 minutes, 40 minutes, you have to connect the session. So daily, I'm taking 2 sessions from the tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow onwards, your class will start at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. to 1.5 hour. 12 p.m. to 1.5 hour. Huh? 1:30. Okay, 1:30. It will go like a 1:30. Tomorrow onwards, the class timings will be 12 to 1:30. 2 times you have to connect with the Python. Why? Because the syllabus is more. Tomorrow I'm taking about the variables. Tomorrow